You see, this is the type of money you are likely to be earning on a monthly basis when you have your own store or service that you render online. You can see this amount of money that you're seeing here right now. This is not even in dollar, this is in euro right now. You can see PLR right here, but I'm going to be showing you this store that I'm going to be creating for you right now. So you can see the store. This is my name right here, Coach Tubeless. Look at this, is the store that I'm going to be creating for you, so you can have a store like this ready made for you with 30 products on the store. These 30 products that I'm going to be uploading on your seller store right here. You can see this is seller. I'm going to be creating this store for you, and I'm going to be uploading these 30 products on this store for you. These products that I'm going to be uploading on this store, they are products that are paid for them. I belong to a PLR and MMR membership website where we get ebooks and courses on a monthly basis. So that's where I got this thing from, and that's where I'm going to be giving you all of these things. So I'm going to be designing this store for you, and I'm going to be loading them up with 30 store. Let me go. You can see all these courses, all these ebooks that you're seeing here right now. You can start selling all these ebooks that you're seeing here right now, and you can even have affiliate promoting these stores for you right now on this sales page that you're seeing here right now. So you can see all of this. These are, count these things right now. You can see there are more than 30 products, but I'm going to be giving you just 30 products right now that is going to be your own, and you'll be ready to. Let's open this one so you can see what these ebooks look like. This is exactly what you're going to be getting when people pay for this right now for just $10. That's what you earn, and you don't have to follow what I'm pricing my own book here. Your own price can be different. You can literally sell your own at any price of your choice. You don't have to go with my own price right here. Wherever you are in the world, as you can see, you can change the currency here. This is euro right here. You can see the price of the book is going to change from dollar to euro right now. You can see that's changed to euro right there. You can see if you're in Nigeria, you can change. If you're in Ghana, let's check Ghana cedi. How much is it in Ghana cedi? You can see for the 3.56 in Ghana cedi. You can literally change this price to anything. Let's check naira right here. You can see it's going to be about 5,000 naira in Nigerian currency. So this is exactly what I'm going to be creating for you right now. A store like this can continually make you money on a daily basis, weekly basis, and even monthly basis without a specific location. You can be anywhere in the world. You can be traveling around the world. You can be doing whatever you're doing, but this store will continue making you money. You can even have affiliate promoting this product. Imagine if you have 100 to 1,000 affiliates that are promoting every single product that you have right here. Let's check this one. That are promoting this. Imagine how much you're likely to be making on a monthly basis having a store like this. So I don't want you to delay right now. Just click the link below right now to purchase this for just 20,000 naira. And if you are not in Nigeria, just $20 is what you're going to be getting this for right now. So don't delay right now. Click on the purchase button right now, purchase it, and come to my WhatsApp to give me all the details, and I'm going to be setting up your store for you ASAP. First come, first serve. This price is only for the first 10 people. After the first 10 people are complete, the price is going to go back to $50, which is about 50,000 naira. That's what it's going to be going to. So click the link below this video right now so you can have a store like this created for you without delay. Store like this can continue to make you money on it. With your WhatsApp alone, you can start making money with a store or like this one. So I'm going to be waiting for you in my WhatsApp link right now below. So let's go right now.